Okay. All right. So today is the 14th July 2024. And we are, oh, 13th को किसी का birthday था. Anyway, forgot. So 14th July 2024, and we are at our Sunday Fun Aging Call. The topic today is, what's the topic? Gaslighting. Thanks to Nivi. She is here or not, I don't know. So what is gaslighting, guys?
Gaslighting is like deliberately when someone is making you wrong for some, it can be because of some vested interest of theirs, or just if they are like, what I get is like they might be scared of you.
Oh,
So
one minute. Okay, let's do start on Insta Live and on Facebook too. I forgot. There we go. We are on Insta Live and we are on Facebook. Now go for it, Angela.
Okay, so gaslighting is when someone is continuously making you wrong. It can be because they are insecure, or they can be having any hidden agenda, but making you wrong so that you get into your own wrongness. That is what I get of gaslighting.
So, do you all, any of you have that point of view that if you were getting or doing something for yourself, that's not the right thing to do. That's the worst possible thing. If you're looking after yourself, that's the worst possible thing. If you're getting something for you, going for it, you must be gaslighting, stealing, or abusing people. That is something bad, something wrong, which keeps you from allowing you to recognize that you are an infinite being and you have a value, a sense of yourself. Anyone here will strive
Yes.
and go for whatever they want, or they
Yes,
will
yes.
make themselves wrong for it? Sorry, Manisha.
मुझे लगता है ऐसा कि अगर मैंने कुछ डेली रूटीन में स्किप किया काम या छुट्टी ली काम से खुद के लिए ऐसे ही टाइम पास, तो मुझे बहुत गिल्ट फील होता है कि क्या ऐसे कैसे कर सकते।
I know. Being more gentle towards yourself, being more kind to yourself, being more joyful, liking your life is like you are an outsider. Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and uncarry it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all nice shots, boys, provides, and beyonds. So let's do some clearings because I can't think of anything to start with. There is a movie, 1946 Ki Gaslighting. Please watch that. If I find the link, I'll put it. That's really worth watching. उसके साथ की एक हमारे यहाँ पे भी कॉपी बनी थी. क्या नाम था उसका? So the first clearing that I want to do is what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility, potency, power can you and your body be to be out of control, out of definition, out of limitations, out of form, structure, significance, out of linearities and out of concentricities, with and as the joy you and your bodies truly be, with total ease for all eternity. and everything that doesn't allow that, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Times a godzillion. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shows, boys, ads, and beyond. Now, this is a clearing statement, and this is a magic wand. It clears the energy that holds you from not choosing yourself, and it melts and creates a different reality for you. It's magic, but we'll not go into deep what it is and what how the details of it. So please look at theclearingstatement.com and see what it has to say. It's beautiful. It's by Simone and Dane, the 20 minutes explanation about right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shots, boys, ads, and beyonds. So all the energy you have used to prove you're normal, you're average, you're same as everyone else. Would you please acknowledge that you're being crazy, you're being stupid, you're not acknowledging the true you? Is now the time to choose that. Yes, yes, yes. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shots, boys, ads, and beyond. So, what energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracle, mystery, possibility, power, potency can you and your body be? What miracle you can be? To be as caring, gentle, kind to yourself as you choose to be for others. Good morning, Mehak. As you choose to be for others. Can you have you at the top of the list? It's not a wrongness. If you are happy, you spread happiness. If you are full, satisfied, and doing great, that overflows to other people around you. So you are not doing anything bad, guys. You have been implanted and explanted. Or you have done it, or somebody else did it to you by telling yourself you are not good enough, you're bad, you're vicious, sometimes you're mean, you destroy things, you only look after yourself, you are selfish. Have you ever wondered what makes you do that? Just because everybody else is doing it, just because your mother did it. Hi, Kushi. So everything that is, everywhere you go, oh, it's all about me. It is all about you guys. You don't deserve to be gaslit lit. You don't deserve to be punished. You don't deserve to be tortured. You don't deserve to not be kind, generous, happy self. Everywhere you aligned and agreed with, or resisted and reacted to any of that and perpetrated on others, would you now be willing to give that up, please? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online shows, boys, ads, and beyond. Guys, I'll be using this statement often because I am doing clearings. And clearing, if you run this after a clearing, universe hears, the energy hears, and energy changes. Anything you aligned and agreed with or resisted and reacted to in any lifetime that does not allow you to be truly you, that does not allow you to nurture, care, be gentle and kind to yourself. People gaslight you because you allow them. would anybody be dare to gaslight you if you were gentle, kind, and aware and conscious of where you're working from? No. You have this point of view that I have to do it for others. I have to make others happy. I have to make a space for myself. I have to belong. Now you've given them the power to do anything to you. And you'll be like, haven't you seen these movies where people say, ओ उसने थप्पड़ मारा क्योंकि मुझे प्यार करता है। अब जो चाहता है वही करेगा ना, वही चेक करेगा। कितनी बार बोला आपने ये और सुना ये? Is it really true? Somebody who loves you will abuse you for what reason? Does it make sense?
Yes, a lot.
Yeah.
ये ना, can I say something?
Yes, please go for it.
ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये भी मेरा एक एडिक्शन है कि खुद के अंदर रीतापन है, एम्प्टीनेस, वो भरने के लिए दूसरों के सामने झुकना झुकना कि अब तो देखो, अब तो कोई तो मेरी केयर करो। मैं तो खुद कभी करती ही नहीं मेरी केयर। अभी करने लगी हूँ, नो डाउट, एक्सेस में आने के बाद 2-3 साल से। तो पहले पहले ये भी मुझे ऐसा ये लगता था, मेरा गुनाह लगता था, मेरी गलती लगती थी कि ऐसे कैसे, हाउ कैन यू बिहेव लाइक दैट, बट आई एम चेंजिंग, आई एम चेंजिंग। सो
That's so
थैंक यू।
beautiful. You're acknowledging, you're changing. मैं कैसे खाना खा सकती हूँ और बच्चे स्कूल से नहीं आए? मैं कैसे खाना खा सकती हूँ, मेरा घर वाला भी नहीं आया? अकेला देखो खाना खा के बैठ गई। तैयार होके नहीं है वो, हस्बैंड घर में आता है तो ये ऐसे ही बनी रहती है, तैयार भी नहीं होती है। Do you get ready for yourself or you get ready for people? We get ready for people, guys. Own up. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to do anything. Then you will have a bath at 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, or not have. How kind are you to yourself? So anybody has any questions? Yeah, we to go forward, we have to have questions, guys. I told you I've got so much going on here that I was blank कि उसको भी बोलना क्या है. Gaslighting to me is actually we don't consciously do it. Sometimes people may consciously do it for if they have any ulterior motive, but otherwise you just do, like this person hasn't achieved, a child hasn't got good marks. What do we do? ओ ये तो पढ़ता ही नहीं है, इसने पता नहीं क्या करना है, इसने बड़ा होके कुछ कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा, ये तो पर बस खेलने में इसका ध्यान है. हाउ ऑफन वी डू दैट टू आवर चिल्ड्रन? Are we gaslighting? Yes. Again and again projecting something at somebody and making them believe. All of us believe we are not good enough. Why? Because from day one we've been told, ये ठीक से नहीं किया, वो ठीक से नहीं किया, ऐसे नहीं कर पाते तुम, ठीक से क्यों नहीं कर पाते? We don't have any choice. We allow them to gaslight us.
So Kamal, kahin na kahin, we only have this point of view that we are not deserving, we are not good enough. That's how we attract such people, and we also allow the other people to. It's like other people are our mirrors. So what we project on ourselves, that is how they give us back. Isn't it that?
Exactly. That's what I said. You allow the first sentence, you allow them to gaslight you. Because when you're born, you're not given that kind of nurturance, that kind of empowerment that you are good just because you exist. We have not learned to receive. We've only learned to give. How were you treated as a kid? Were you treated with respect, kindness, caring, and love? No. Most of us weren't. Were you? So we only know that. We try to create from that, knowing that we are not good enough, that we have to do something to be good. We have to show, we have to prove. What if you were good just because you exist?
And also, there is so much about the appropriate, like this is appropriate. This has to be like this way. So that keeps the gaslighting on because we are not never achieving what is exactly appropriate. What if there is no such thing as appropriate?
Exactly. We are striving to prove, that's why everything we do is from, will we be acknowledged? Will we be loved? Will we belong? What if we now choose to treat ourselves not the way we were treated, but the way we should have been treated? This sentence I've heard Dan and Gary say a million times in classes. The way we want to be treated. Do we know how we want to be treated? We cut off awareness. We buy into this is right, this is good, this is appropriate, this isn't. Our whole life revolves around that. Every choice we make revolves around that. Every relationship. Let's try to treat ourselves the way we would have wanted to be treated in any relationship, with mother, with child, with daughter, with neighbors, with sisters, with friends, with brothers. Even if we weren't treated like that, how? What would you like to? Write, take a paper and a pencil, write down. How would I like to be treated? Is it possible, guys? Does it sound nice and light and ease and joy to you to have that kind of a life? Is your body loving it? Have you lightened up? So what do you have to do in order to choose that, have that? You have to trust your knowing. And you might have to trust somebody you don't trust. No judgment, no point of view. Only question. Look around, how many people are kind to themselves? They might keep saying, we might keep saying we want peace, we want joy, we want kindness, we want all those things. But do we function from there? The moment somebody says, we go into reaction. It's too boring. Drama is interesting. There's no flavor in life without drama. How many of you think that? This nurturance, the kindness, this being peace with yourself is the choice you have to make in every now moment. In every choice you make, you have to Be aware of where that choice is coming from. Is it coming from kindness? Is it coming from nurturance for yourself and for others? Or is it proving somebody that I'm right or making somebody wrong? Only realize after coming to Access that we are so amazing, and then we let ourselves to be who we are not. Same as everybody else. Normal, average, real, according to this reality. And the moment you start becoming more aware, like Manisha said, now I am aware of where I am and I'm choosing more of myself. And all of you might be doing that. Hi, Param, Geeta, Mamta. Lovely to have Shimona. You came
Hello,
late today.
good morning. Lovely topic.
Gaslighting.
Yes.
We gaslight ourselves more than we gaslight others. As you start choosing that, you start becoming more aware. You start to see where you are gaslighting yourself. Otherwise, you get sucked in by the contextual reality. You give up your awareness to choose what they say is right. Awareness is non-contextual reality. So, anybody has any question? It's like, I look and behave and be and do whatever this reality wants me to do. Is that fun? Would you like to change that? I have no fear of what people will say. People who choose different create the reality. Every time you have a choice, every time you have another option in your life, will you ask a question? Will you give yourself that kindness that you give others? Not go back, get sucked by this reality, but by asking a question. What else is possible? There are a million possibilities there just for your ask. Ask a simple question and million possibilities show up. Just a choice away. Simple choices. Those 4 questions. What is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? Even anything that contracts you, anything that is heavy, you all know all this, guys. I'm talking the same shit. If you have no question, we're done.
You reminds us na, every time.
Sorry?
You reminds us ki what we are doing.
Yeah, it's actually a reminder to myself too.
आपकी कॉल्स में होते हैं ना तो वो सब लगता है कि यार अभी मैं बहुत सैड फील कर रही थी लाइक क्राइंग लाइक एंड ऑल जैसे आपकी कॉल अभी आई और आप जो बात कर रहे थे तो आई फील यार ठीक है मैंने क्या करके रखा है व्हाट इज दिस व्हाट कैन आई डू विद दिस आई आस्क द क्वेश्चंस बट नॉट दैट वे आप जैसे बोलते हो ना द एनर्जी इज क्वाइट डिफरेंट
Mamta, I did not
Not
say
cheer
this.
up.
I did not say any of what I said to make you wrong. Please don't make yourself wrong for it. Oh, we usually go for, oh, we should do this, we're not doing this, oh, I'm wrong. No. Be grateful for that you got a reminder. Now you can choose
Yeah.
different.
Yes,
There
I
are
think
two ways to go. Everywhere we go into the default space to make ourselves wrong, rather than, yay, wow. Right? I
yeah.
thank you for reminding. How does it get any better than this?
Yes, I'm very grateful to you. Love you, dear.
Love you, darling. Never, ever, never, ever, 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 ever now, ever, never make yourself wrong.
Yeah. Thank you for
That's
reminding
not
me.
a nice energy. That's not the energy you want to live in. Energy is only giving you information. Now don't name it, don't define it. What would this choice create? What would my energy of life, what would the energy of my life be if I choose this 5 years from now? And if I don't choose it, would this choice
Exponentialize.
exponentialize my reality and the universe that I would like to live in? Opportunity, possibilities keep showing up, not opportunities. Possibilities keep showing up. Don't live in a fantasy world. Ask questions. Choose what's light. Never give yourself up. Never, ever give yourself up. There's always something knocking at your door right after that. You are leaders, guys. Remember that.
Can I
And
say?
so, yes, please go for it, Manisha.
नहीं, आप पूरा कीजिए.
नहीं, पता नहीं क्या था. आप बोलो, करो.
हाँ, मुझे एक ऐसा आइडिया या या आप हर संडे को एक अलग टॉपिक लेते हैं ना, तो पिछले 1 साल से मैं तो अटेंड कर ही रही हूँ उससे पहले, तो मैं ये सब लिस्ट डाउन करूंगी कौन से टॉपिक थे, तो करीबन 50 तो हो जाएंगे, और हर एक टॉपिक का दो चार लाइन जो मैं डायरी में लिखती हूँ, तो मैं आपको भेज दूंगी, फिर आप उसका बुक बनाओ या कुछ तो बनाओ, क्योंकि ये
so sweet of
हाँ,
you.
मुझे बहुत ऐसा लगता है कि आप एक बुक बनाओ.
I know,
ये
आप
हमारा
बड़ी देर से बोल रहे हो.
हाँ, ये हक का तो
ये
हमारा रह
50
गया.
एपिसोड नहीं है, मेरे ख्याल 300 के पास हो रहे.
नहीं, मैं 1 साल का बोल रही हूँ. 1 साल में तो 52 वीक्स करीबन, तो 50 तो हो ही जाएंगे ना, तो आई विल ट्राई. 1 महीने के अंदर मैं आपको भेज दूंगी.
ओके, थैंक यू.
हाँ,
मम
या
सो स्वीट.
मनीषा, आप बुक बना के भेज दो छोटी सी.
आई नो, आप ही बना दो.
और क्या.
या आपको आया ना ये बुक बनाने का,
Yeah.
तो माइट बी इट इज फॉर यू.
टू मेक.
या हम लोग सोचते हैं कुछ जो मेरे को थॉट आया वो किसी और के लिए है. नहीं, जो भी आपको आया है वो आपके लिए है. Ask a few questions. Hey, am I supposed to make this? My mother was docile in the beginning. Why am I saying in the beginning? But when she got married, she was quite innocent. Everybody would go on saying, इसको तो पता नहीं लगता, इसको तो पता नहीं लगता. धोबी से 2 बार, मेरा father would just go on saying, धोबी से 2 बार पैसे ले जाता है, इसको पता नहीं चलता, इसको ध्यान नहीं आता, ये बहुत भोली है. ये my nani would say that, my masis would say the same thing. That's gaslighting. You start to believe it. You start to get insecure. later stages, I thought I actually, her whole life she was a very strong woman. She knew what she wanted. Nobody could, maybe those things made her like that. She would pack and then she would forget one or two things. And then my father would make a joke of it. And everybody would laugh. So that was not because he purposely did it, because he just kept doing it. Rather than asking a question, rather than empowering somebody else, rather than appreciating, yeah, you were able to do this. वो रह गया, कोई बात नहीं. How can we empower people? How would we like to create a world that is a kingdom of we? Just get the energy of who you actually are. What do you actually like? What do you like around yourself? You will never, never, ever, any one of you will never, even the worst person will never think of having people hating him, having people fighting, having a world which there is no peace. Nobody would like that. And yet we keep doing these things, gaslighting ourselves. I can't do it. This, I'm not good enough, is gaslighting. Yes, Angela.
Gaslighting नहीं है, but आपके कान का एक missing है.
Everybody who says the same thing. This
अच्छा,
is my
okay,
stick.
या अभी मुझे लगा, पहले
Somebody
मुझे
told
लगा
me
कि ठीक था,
काम
अभी
का
मुझे लगा
गूंगे
अचानक से
आपका.
कुछ क्यों दिखने लगा.
I know. They're tricking people.
Yeah, no. Initially when the call started, I could sense कि ये तो इधर का है. अभी एकदम से मेरी perception change हो गई होगी.
So how many lies it takes to keep you in the cesspool? How many lies you keep telling yourself to be in the cesspool and not choose something greater and go into the fresh pool? We use all our energy against ourselves instead for us. So get the energy of yourself. Is there any kind of insecurity in your world? Truth. Is there any kind of insecurity in your world? I don't see any. None at all. Why do we still play small then? How are we just committed to ourselves? Not even 10%. All the reasons and justifications for not being the infinite being, would you please be willing to give that up now? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Hi, Ranjana. Hi, Nilo. Lovely to have you guys here. Focus Reiki. Wow. Welcome. All you have to do is commit to yourself. All you have to do is never make yourself wrong. Never, ever make yourself wrong. Ask a question immediately. I'm committed to myself. I'm not choosing this. Okay, now what is this? What can I do about this? Can I change it? How can I change it? And you will never be able to gaslight anybody else when you see the beauty in people. When you see the goodness in them, you will empower them. If you always went into question, instead of any kind of wrongness or conclusion or definition of what they say, what would be possible? Do you even realize that you're missing out on 90% of the magic, of the brilliance, of the abundance in every area of your life by choosing to be small, by choosing to be less than others. Only when you are totally aware and committed to yourself, never making yourself wrong. Nobody dare gaslight you. So think of how many places people are gaslighting you. You are gaslighting yourself, then people are gaslighting you. We are committed to this reality. We are committed to our family. We are committed to every Tom, Dick, and Harry. What if starting today you committed to yourself? That's not being selfish, guys. Committing to yourself is honoring you, trusting you, being an allowance of you. What else is there? Trust, vulnerable, gratitude for being you. These 5 elements, allowance, honoring, gratitude, trust, and vulnerability. If you have it for you, you will have it for everybody else. Your choices will be different then if you're committed to yourself. You make choices which will be light and fun, non-judgmental. What would it be like for all of you to be all of you? To be all of you, all that you could be, all that is possible, all that is available. Everywhere you are that, you were that, growing up, you were too much, that you gave up just because people couldn't handle you. Would you be willing to claim, know and acknowledge, own and acknowledge it now? What do you think if you'd be all of you, what will happen? क्या होगा? कोई है यहाँ पे बताने वाला कि अगर मैं हो जाऊं तो क्या होगा? मुझे लोग मुझे पसंद नहीं करेंगे, मेरे को गलत बोलेंगे। वो अभी भी बोल रहे हैं भाई। When you are judging others for some things, that's you judging yourself for those things. आप कहीं छुट्टी पे नहीं जाते, कोई छुट्टी पे जाएगा तो आप उसको जज करोगे। आप नॉन वेज नहीं खाते, कोई नॉन वेज खाएगा तो आप उसको जज करोगे। आप निकर नहीं पहनते तो कोई निकर पहनेगा तो आप उसको जज करोगे। आप हस्बैंड से पहले खाना नहीं खाते तो आप जो हस्बैंड से पहले खाना खा लेगा उसको जज करेंगे। So who are you judging? Yourself, not anybody else. Hi, Shweta. So those are your points of views. Those are your rights and wrongs. If you stop judging you for anything, you will stop judging anybody else for anything. I never used to go for a holiday. My husband would never take me for holidays. That is the time when I was depending on my husband to take me for holidays. Thanks to Access that I came into Access and I became the leader of my own life. And I used to judge people. ये तो सारा टाइम छुट्टी पे ही चले जाते हैं, इनके तो बहुत लकी है, इनका तो बस सब कुछ है। We put up barriers to different things, different people, as though that is going to change my life. It doesn't work like that, guys. It never works like that. What is goes here shows up in your body, and that's how you behave, and that's how you live. You start empowering yourself, you empower others by being you. Being you, changing the world. I think we've all read. If we haven't, then we must immediately buy one and read. That movies everybody should watch. Anybody can find it. Please post it in the group. I will see if I can find it and post it in the group. We still have 9 minutes. Any questions?
Which movie you were mentioning, Kamal? Just
There is a movie in 1946, Gaslighting. और मेरे को लगता है ये इंडियन मूवी भी बनी है उसके ऊपर. नाम नहीं याद आ रहा. Just write gaslighting and watch all what you can get from there.
It's on YouTube. I'll share the link.
Please, thank you so much. Demand of yourself. When you demand of yourself, the universe gifts it to you. Ask a question, demand of yourself, request the universe, it will show up. It's that easy. मेरे तो जो दिमाग में आता जा रहा है मैं बोलती जा रही हूँ. Anybody who Nivi is not here who asked for this question, but is there something else that you not getting about gaslighting, guys? Hello?
Who wrote this topic, Nipi?
Sorry?
wrote-
Nivi, कोई निवी थी निवी
Actually, we.
in the group.
Shared the link in the group, Movika.
Yeah.
Achha, thank you so much, darling.
Angela, thank you.
You are magic, you are miracle, and it's not outside of you. You are it, be it. That's a beautiful book we read also. Guys, we are starting a new book on the
Yeah,
16th.
Angela, come. We are starting on
We are starting a
16th.
new book on the 16th. It is
16th.
Param, do you have the
Yes. Yeah. I'll just read the name.
It isn't on the Facebook group also we put. We are starting it on the 16th. Anybody willing to come, we get together 8 to 9 every day.
बुक का नाम है Access Bars Unlocking the Path to Transformation and Conscious Living.
Transformation and conscious living. I think it's about access bars.
Yes.
So you're all welcome. We read for 15 days.
Yeah.
And starting on 16th.
Angela will be great contribution.
Angela, please come. Geeta, Shimona,
आपकी डिमांड है बहुत.
Geeta,
गीता. Yes.
Jazz, Manisha, Rupal. Love to have you guys.
Yeah. Morning book reading is really good.
It's very good.
गीता कुछ कह रही है.
गीता क्या कह रहे हो आप?
No, my speaker was on.
हाँ, क्या कह रहे थे आप?
Nothing. When you were saying, तो मैं सोच रही थी कि what is stopping me, है ना?
हाँ.
तो वो लग रहा था कि मैनेज ही नहीं हो पाता मॉर्निंग में, and and I don't want to only listen. मतलब participation नहीं हो पाती बैठ के. The time is window is such I have to leave by 9:15. वो मतलब मैं I was just asking question, how can I manage it in a better way? कैसे हो सकता है? क्या
Just
कैसे और
just ask a question. If it is light, join. If it is not, don't make yourself wrong for it.
Yeah.
Don't justify it. Don't have reasons for it. Just
Mhm.
ask. Hey, will it be contributive? Will it be fun? Will it be joyful? Universe, body, can we do it? And if it is light, go join it. If it is not light, don't. No reasons and justifications. वो जब हम चुनते हैं तो उसका रास्ता हमेशा बन जाता है. लाइट होता है तो अपने आप ही, वो लाइट का मतलब ही यही होता है कि ये रास्ता तेरा बन जाएगा, चुन ले. और हैवी है तो उसका मतलब है कि नहीं कर पाएगी, छोड़ दे. But if you go into your head, that is justifying yourself.
But Kamal,
Those
you
are
are right.
reasons. Sorry.
पर पता नहीं कैसे दिमाग में ना ये चीज चली. Both the sides of this what you have said, उसमें ना राइट और रॉन्ग एक ऐसी स्टेज पे आके ना इतना मिंगल हो जाता है. एटलीस्ट इट हैपेंस विद मी कि इट इज वेरी वेरी heavy for me to choose. Whatever I will choose, it will be with label of वो शायद ठीक था, ये पता नहीं मैंने ठीक चॉइस की या नहीं की.
Because हम लोग हमेशा इतने for trillions of years ऐसे ही करते आए हैं ना. तो जब ये प्रैक्टिस है, किसी भी चीज की प्रैक्टिस. आप जब पहली बार लॉ करके कोर्ट में गए थे तो क्या you could talk what you talk now?
Yeah.
How scared were you? How apprehensive were you? And now you can go with confidence and do what? So it's just like that. It's the practicing not to going into wrong, right, and lightness and heavy. The moment you start practicing, it starts becoming easier and easier for you. Before even you ask a question, it is like, yes, I'll do it. Or no, I can't. With no justification, with no reason कि right है, wrong है, कर सकूं नहीं कर. These कहानियां तो हम पढ़ते रहे ना पहले. ये हमें अपने आप को ही gaslight करते हैं. They are not actually required. They don't have any power. Your knowing has. What do you know? That you've given more importance to these things कि ये होगा नहीं होगा, right है, wrong है, करूं ना करूं, पैसे हैं नहीं है, ज्यादा है कम है. ये कहानियां जो हम अपने आप को सिर्फ अपने आप से अलग करने के लिए करते हैं. लाइफ बड़ी इजी है, राइट? लाइट
Beautiful.
हैवी. लाइट है, go for it. And everything gets arranged and gets put into place by the universe. You have chosen it. कहते ये पहला स्टेप. उसने क्या, रिचर्ड बैग बोलता है, you take the first step, the universe conspires to give to you what you're asking for. But when you have justification and reasons for things, then you get stuck.
Exactly.
So never make yourself wrong. Just ask a question. If it is light, welcome. If it is heavy, welcome. Lower your barriers for everything. Lower your barriers, POC and POD, all points of views. Close your eyes and ask anything that you want to do. ये खा लूं, यहाँ जाऊं, आज मेरा ये है, वहां क्या बोलना है. Anything that you just ask like that, and with a flash you will get the answer. You will get the awareness, not the answer. And then you can ask that awareness again another question. Hey, will this work? Will it expand? Will it be fun? If you go for it, then okay. Hey, I am willing to do this. Show me the way. Hold my hand. Take me through. Taking this first one step, you refuse to be. What future are you refusing to be? That if you would be it, would give you everything you desire with total ease, including too much money. Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all, right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, honest, short, boys, broads, and beyond. take this step. Okay, guys, it's 9 o'clock. See some of you on 9th, on 16th. Why 9 o'clock?
It's 14th on Tuesday.
I know. Have a wonderful day.
Even I used to feel that, Kamal, ke morning 9:30 office पहुंचना होता है. But then I take bath before that, during class, like get ready, then be in the office 9:30 many times, and I feel
I know.
right.
आप लोग कई दफा नहाते भी हो मेरी क्लास सुनते सुनते.
Nothing. तो भी कहना में आती है बंद कर दे पानी को 2 मिनट के लिए सुनना होता है.
I
Yeah,
know.
that's very nice. That is a magic. That's a gift of Zoom and technology.
Yeah. And we think कि हम सुन लेंगे तो हमें सब समझ में आ जाएगी. Your body is, your mind is all the time listening.
Yes.
Your body is all the time listening. और कई क्लासेस में लोग आके चारों दिन सोए रहते हैं. And they have the transformation that not everybody else has. So it's not about listening. You are listening anyway. It's a choice that you make starts to function.
Body is listening. Beautifully you said.
Okay, guys. Love you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.